Deadshot. This some shit. Did Black Mass find out about my side gig and send you? Ah! I'm gonna mess you up real good. Then it's his turn.
Expletive deleted, and the free world is saved again. Stay down, dog.
What the heck's going on? This wasn't part of the mission. Vertigo. Why?
Aw, honeymoon's over. What about him?
I'd rather not kill him at the same wound. She'd wonder about that. I say we let the train run him over.
You're working together.
Working, playing.
We're soulmates.
Even in prison, things can be arranged.
What about the file?
We make a copy. Give Waller back the original. She'll never know. And then, when the grieving widow and I are paroled, we have a little nest egg.
She knows.
What?
Waller. She's been listening.
You're lying. I'm team leader.
She knew there was a traitor somewhere.
Waller? Listen to me. I beg you.
Floyd, please, don't let her. I know I was a bad girl, but it was all Vertigo's idea. Please don't let her kill me, Floyd. Don't let her blow my head off.
She's done, Waller. Turn it off.
A mercy killing? Getting soft on me, Lawton?
Just saving on the dry cleaning.